but thank God you're back. I've been thinking, how am I going to go all the way to Nkechi's Informer's house? You remember that my friend Informer, that her mother died? Today is the burial. Ngwabiko, come and help me. Drop me at the burial place. Open the car. Let me go inside.
Mother, you are a funny woman. In fact, I should call you a drama queen.
Ah, how?
You mean if I should open this car now and ask you to enter into it so that I can drop you at the burial place, you will enter?
Why not?
An honorable car.
Are you not my son?
And so fucking what? And so what? So if you are my mother, I should open my car and then carry... Does this car look like an ambulance to you? You have chosen to go for burial, then you should find a way to go to the burial.
What are you even talking about? What has this been a honorable car? And you are my son. It doesn't concern me. Just drop your mother at the burial. Because my parent motor can.
Mama, please stop that talk. Stop it. It's sounding so shameful on my ear. How can you ask me to open an honorable car for you to enter inside? What for? What do you expect other honorables to say if they see me carrying my mother with a government property?
Are you serious? You don't want to go and drop me?
I can never do that. In fact, come and give me a mama. How can I belittle myself because I want to carry my mother? Mama, there is so many. In fact, that place is very trekkable. You can trek. Before you used to trek to all those places. Now what is remote and what? Yes. Please. In fact, wait. You can enter Okada. Take 500 naira. Their bike is very, very sound and okay. So please, machine. Let him come and carry you to the burial. Nanam. Napu me here. Take. Not only. I know you. You can do undo because you convince my driver to carry you. I know you with a sweet mouth. I will not let that happen. While you are taking your bike, let me go back to where I came out from. I'm going to honorables meeting. Honorables meeting.
Ezioku.
Everybody wanna run. Counsellor warala no killer. Our honorable warala no killer. Honorable can you Honorable can you I am making out your tigger give vote. I am making out your tigger give vote.
Which kind of driver you employ like this? I don't wave you. They call you since. The stupid boy don't use inside me since I person they wave.
Please shut up. And
they talk with give us like Igbo rest of king. You the grace?
Close. Come on, close. Are you all right?
Now the boy wave.
Well, shut up your mouth. Hey, how can you be stupid and foolish at the same time? Okay. You're running after me as if I am your mate. Hey. What is your problem? Who are you calling a stupid boy? My own driver?
No, he's supposed to use inside me. No side the wave. I don't the wave since. I don't tire. Sack this boy. You know no work. Now maybe here can she have.
If you don't close this door right now, I will give you a very hot slap that you will never forget in your entire life.
What, Angela?
You stupid he-goat. You want to enter where? No, if I should open my door, what will happen? You enter into my car?
Hey.
As taxi or what? No, as Uber.
Na me, Jude, na me.
Jude, what is your surname?
Hey.
What is your surname? Jude Nkiti. So if you mention Jude, I should jump up. My friend, go and look for your level.
It be like say this counselor thing they confuse people. Now we make you what you be. This guy now we put you there. Now we make you what you don't become. What do you mean? Now maybe to come.
To God who made me and you, if you touch this car again, I made you here koshages and all. You made who he is. You made who?
Now we run everything for you. Make I begin talking in front of these boys. They do when everything starts. Now we.
So what did you do? No, tell me. Maybe I don't know.
Make I talk.
Go ahead and tell me.
No, I go talk. They go hear am.
Say it. Let me hear.
Now we rig election. Ballot boss personal. Let me carry am. Make I begin shout. Let me carry ballot boss. Let me carry am. Yeah. What do you mean? Eh?
I can see you are sick in the head. You carried ballot boss. For who? For me? Or for your ancestors?
Jesus.
For who? Who did you carry ballot boss for? Did I send you to carry ballot boss for me?
Chineke.
Huh? Where the whole village gathered to vote for me. They voted me in diligently. They loved me. They wanted me to sit in there for them. Hey. You want to carry ballot boss for your unborn stupid generation. Hey. And you are here spitting on my car. My friend, get behind me, Satan, and let me go and do it.
I come here, I ask all these things, so I will talk more. Which one be say no me again? Da! Maybe this door come bossing, so what do you mean? Maybe this door.
Come on, get out of this.
Boys!
Come and attack this. Come and take this nonsense away from me. Take him out of this place.
Na my friend.
And you, why did you stop the car? Why did you stop the car?
I'm sorry, Honorable. I thought he's one of your honorable members, sir.
You thought he's one of my honorable members?
Yes, sir.
Did you see him with any car?
No, sir.
Or did you see talks following him?
No, sir.
So why did you stop?
I'm sorry, sir.
You will be sorry at the next time you try this rubbish. Now move this car. Bingo.
Everybody wanna run. Our honorable,
Your Highness, like I was saying, I don't want you to look as if I am doing something that is not right. Just look at what I'm saying now. From this place now, you see this pillar? This very pillar will go up. From this pillar, we're going to wawa this house from here. Remove this place. This whole place will go off. Then I turn to this place again. You see this one, this very pillar. Another go to wawa this place, push it down. Then we make sure, in fact, you need to see the kind of plan I have for this community. I want to gota Amandoba. Then gota Ekwe. There's this side, then gota Umoku. So I have a wonderful plans for my people. I don't want you to look as if after my tenure, my people were not able to enjoy anything from me. As a honorable member, I want to count what I have done for my people. I don't want you to look as if at the end of my tenure, my people were not able to enjoy my wealth. Igwe, your palace fall on the village plans that I have to set up beautiful and well-decorated gota to my community. So please, the earlier you start looking for a place to park any of your things for our gota to stand, the better. Because caterpillars and bulldozers are on their way.
Otangela, you know you don't know where your immediate problem lies. You don't listen to yourself as you speak. That's your problem. Because if you do, you would have realized that I am the Igbo of this our community, and therefore a symbol of authority. You don't talk to me anyhow. Okay?
Your Highness, there is no doubt that you are the symbol of authority of our community. Yes, everybody knows that. Even me, I know. But you are not above the law. I don't want it to sound as if I am trying to disrespect you. No. This is a simple thing that you will understand. I want the best for my community. Everybody wants good for his people. You have been our king for ages. Yet our community is still wallowing in darkness. That is the reason I want to use my office to bring civilization. And one of the projects I want to set up is by building gutters. I want let there be gutters everywhere. Every family will experience one gutter or two. So the place I want to start is from your palace. Gutter follow here. Abawa uzo nya anyi gutter. Mini bia ya garo onwe ya. Agebiri n'ulo ma ye enwe ho gutter. Igwe, don't make me talk too much.
Otangele.
A point of correction. Honorable Otangele. It's a title. I didn't just give it to myself. It's a federal name. Government gave me that name. It's a title. It's not just an ordinary name. I didn't buy it with money. It was given to me by the federal government itself. Why are you trying?
Shut up now. Listen to me. Listen carefully. As far as I'm concerned, no gutter will be allowed to pass through here. It is my decision, and it must stand that way. Okay? Look at you. Have you just forgotten that it's somebody? In fact, I am the one that put you in that position. And the idea is for you to continue to protect my interests. And you are here talking nonsense. What?
My king, please. An honorable, do not speak nonsense. Rather, I am telling you the truth. Oh yes, you contributed by putting me there. But at the same time, I contested. And I won. So why are you making it to look as if you carry me let us not make this into look as if here. I want to bring civilization to your people, our people.
I can see that you are indeed ready to contest with me. We shall see. But all I have to tell you is what I said earlier. Let me remind you, there won't be any gutter anywhere within this my palace. Get it clear. Be warned. Be warned. Because you are now talking like a madman. In fact, like a drunk. In fact, I believe you've taken more than you can handle. Now, this very moment, out. Don't let me go in and come out here and still meet you standing. Idiot. Nonsense. Don't let me come back.
Oh no. Now true say you won't build gutter for here. I beg you feel break here or build gutter. Break here. Break this place, but no break my office.
Guys, what are you waiting for? What are you guys waiting for? Stupid boys. You will know the stuff I'm made up of. Come on to beat a security man, you refuse. By the time I'm done with you, hands up! Attention! I said attention. By the left, mark time. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. And some of you are doing right left. Left, right. Come on. Do it properly. Idiots. Hey, wash. If you pour water anyhow on that car. I will deal with you. I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in your entire life. Stupid bingo. Oh yeah, come, oh yeah, wash yourself. Wash yourself. Pour that. Did you just do to an honorable? To a counsellor? Wash yourself. Be fast about it. Don't keep me waiting. Go. Beautiful. Hey! Yes. Don't shout. Don't shout to an honorable. Don't shout at me. Pour it again. Don't clean your face. Allow that water to sink into your eyes.
I don't blind. I know if you wash car.
You have to go there.
Eh?
You should be happy that you are using the rag used on my car to wash yourself. An honorable car. A counsellor car. Wash! Wash. Go down below. Go down below.
Down below.
Wash everywhere. Idiot. Now you start rolling on the floor, yeah? Do your, come on, go down and do frog jump. Go down. Your hands on your ear. 1, 2, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. You, slap him. Slap him. I said, talking to you, slap him. You're wasting my time. Is that all you can do? No, is that all you can do? Come on, do it this way. Come on, slap him. Come closer. Look at your stupid eyes. Good. I love that. Beautiful. Now you can roll on the floor to make it calm. Everybody first down. Oh yeah. Good. Go down flat. What are you standing there? Come on, go down. Keep on rolling. Roll. Roll like a man. Roll like a man. Don't roll like a woman. Roll to this side. Roll to this side. Roll. Keep on rolling. You come down. Come on, join them. Come on. Jump down. Jump down and join them. If you break my glass, government will come after you. Go on. Jump down and roll. You must jump. You must jump down. Hey! Keep on rolling. Roll like you have never rolled before. Roll into your grave. Hey! When you go down from there. Now, leave that pocket. Go down. Keep on rolling. What's that? You're talking with me. Continue. Go. Keep on. I will teach you a lesson you never forget.
What's going on here?
Hey!
Don't dare me. So, this is pure madness. What are thou city you have? Look at you! Why are you ordering my servant? Let me tell you something that... Who do you think you are?
I am #1 citizen of this community. So I have the right to do anything I want to do, any day, anytime, any minute.
I'll soon tell you that you are but ordinary counsellor. Yes, that has no power. You are powerless. Because I'm going to institute the authority that will bring you to your barest minimum. Look at you. Who are you? To challenge the authorities that are in the palace. So who told you you have the audacity to be doing this nonsense? In the palace, look at you. I will terminate you. Yes, I will deal with you decisively. Look at you.
Bana balago. Igbo is like you don't know that. What a kerepate ego. Okenye jeburu onwe ya
God punish you there. Let the Almighty Amadio has sealed at your mouth.
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
You are talking to a counsellor?
How dare you in my premises?
A counsellor? A counsellor with federal power? Amadio Homabuam.
I am going to tell you that you don't know even the commonest law. I will jail you.
You make I stand up.
Stand up!
Take you, sir.
Get up! Get up!
Take you.
You want to dare me? Eh? What if I use this against you? Idiot. Wait, get me my phone. Where is my phone? Don't move, Ali. Let me see your power. Get me my phone now. Okay.
shall see.
It's on top of that table. Oh.
You want to make up?
Freezing you now. Yes. Look at this riffraff. I'll bring you around before every. Look, you don't have fear. You may hear in a compound. Get me my phone. I'm okay.
Okay, is any contact? Okay, maybe if I
From here,
contact.
you're not going home.
Who else will you call if not you know? And don't want to do down on a village. Kambanya zero film. Let me telephone the president himself.
Don't relent to it. I'll be waiting for that.
Okay.
Let me tell you, I am still the number one.
Igbo just cherobe the kankunya.
Get me my phone. Let him from here.
You go the phone was. You want what? Spoil. I not ready.
Go and get me.
You go no first.
This idiot will not escape. Someone should lock up that gate. Lock it up. I'm coming. Idiot. I will make call for you.
I thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!